It's time to apply your knowledge and skills to a real-world challenge. In this group project, you will work collaboratively to analyze a pressing global issue, propose innovative solutions, and develop a comprehensive action plan for addressing it. Project objectives. Deepen your understanding of a specific global challenge. Apply the concepts and theories of global governance learned in this course. Develop critical thinking, research, and problem-solving skills. Collaborate effectively in a team environment. Present your findings and recommendations in a compelling and persuasive manner. Project steps. Choose a global challenge. Select a current global issue that you are passionate about. Some possible topics include climate change, poverty, inequality, human rights abuses, armed conflict, or global health crisis. Research and analyze. Conduct in-depth research on your chosen challenge. Gather data, analyze its root causes, and assess its impact on different populations and regions. Consider the existing global governance mechanisms in place to address the issue and evaluate their effectiveness. Develop solutions. Brainstorm and propose innovative solutions to your chosen challenge. Consider a multifaceted approach that addresses the issue from different angles, such as political, economic, social, and technological perspectives. Create an action plan. Outline a comprehensive action plan for implementing your proposed solutions. Identify the key stakeholders involved, the resources needed, and the timeline for implementation. Present your findings. Prepare a presentation or report summarizing your research, analysis, solutions, and action plan. Be prepared to answer questions and engage in discussion with your classmates and instructor. Group collaboration. Form groups of 3 to 5 students. Divide tasks and responsibilities among group members. Communicate regularly and effectively. Leverage each other's strengths and expertise. Resolve conflicts constructively. Grading criteria. Your group project will be evaluated based on the following criteria: depth of research and analysis, originality and feasibility of proposed solutions, clarity and comprehensiveness of the action plan, quality of presentation or report, overall teamwork and collaboration. Tips for success. Choose a topic that you are genuinely interested in. Start your research early and gather information from credible sources. Be creative and think outside the box when developing solutions. Be realistic and consider the feasibility of your proposed actions. Work effectively with your team members and respect each other's perspectives. Practice your presentation or report and be prepared to answer questions. I am excited to see the innovative solutions you come up with to tackle some of the world's most pressing challenges.